how to block contacts on Tinder. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to block contacts on Tinder, helping you manage your interactions effectively. To get started, open your Tinder application on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. Click on the human icon to access your profile. Once in your profile space, click on Settings at the top right corner. This will open up various setting options for you to explore. Scroll down until you spot Blocked Contacts section. Just above the Appearance option, click on Block Contacts to enter this space. If you haven't imported your contacts to Tinder before, the first step is to do so. Click on Import Contacts and your contacts will be displayed. Now select the specific contact you want to block. Once selected, a check mark will appear indicating your choice. Below you will find Block Contact option. Click on it to block the chosen contact. To verify the blocked contact, click on the Block Contacts options again, then click on Blocked next to contact. You will see the contact you recently blocked. If for any reason you want to unblock the contact, simply click on the Unlock option to the right of the contact's name. This will promptly unblock the contact. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.